Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply spawn an air in Geometry Dash. Now inside I'm on my level editor on Geometry Dash. Basically, to make your player spawn an air, you want to navigate through the build section, and from here click on the triggers. Basically inside we have multiple triggers that we can use. Inside this page, you will see the spawn trigger. Now, this is completely different from your player spawning, but instead what you want to use is the start POS. What this means is that it's your starting position. So let's say that I'm going to build my level on this specific range right here. I could simply do so above, and then we can progress as our player goes down. Now, to make your player spawn in air, it's really simple. Of course, just select the start POS, click on the part where you want your player to spawn, and basically if we test our level out, our player should spawn right there. Now you can edit this out to wherever you want to. So in my case, just to show you how powerful this tool is, let's then go ahead and place it above this guy right here. And if we play out the level, our player should go ahead and spawn in the air. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.